Get your career kick-started today. Welcome to the Career Channel. This is what I will cover in this quick tutorial. Firstly, I will give you a list of words you should be using as a manager to inspire, motivate, and direct a team. Secondly, I will then give you the 2 most underused and underrated words you should be using as a manager. Thirdly, I will give you example statements you can use as a manager in the workplace and at job interviews that use these powerful words. And finally, number 4, I will tell you where you can download these slides in my full management skills training course. Just quickly, please subscribe to the channel as it really motivates us to keep bringing you great videos. Thank you. Okay, so let's get started with the list of great management and leadership words that you can make use of in your own professional life. Here's a list of great management and leadership words. Let's start off with strategy. Strategy is your plan of action that is designed to achieve the company's long-term objectives. As a manager, you should always be thinking about your strategy and plan of action. This helps demonstrate to those reporting to you that you have a clear direction of travel. It's also important that your own manager is aware of your approach and your understanding of the company's own strategy. Next up, analyze. When you analyze, you take a close look at facts and information which help you make better decisions. Those around you get reassurance from noting that you are a manager that carefully analyzes and considers the information to hand before making a decision. It's an important part of a decision-making process to analyze the data and information to ensure you are making an informed decision. Then we come on to expectations. Expectation is what you want to happen. My expectations for you as a team are. Using the term and setting out your expectations is a useful word and tool so that your team are aware of what you need from them in terms of standards, productivity, and engagement. You will have a stronger team if they fully understand your expectations. Opportunity is an important leadership and management word, as it expresses the chance to achieve something significant. This is our opportunity to make a difference at work. It's also useful to look for the opportunity in any challenging situation. If life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Benchmark, a point of reference against which things can be compared. Let's benchmark this month's performance against last month's. When evidencing an improvement, you use the benchmark as a point of reference to show how much something has improved. Holistic. This is when you take a holistic view and you look at things from a wider perspective. Let's look at this from all of the different points of views. Another example of a holistic approach is when you consider staffing needs beyond just the physical needs. You might also consider their emotional or social needs. Collaborate. When you work closely together as a team, I want you to collaborate on this project to achieve the objectives. Collaboration is the bringing together of different individuals to benefit from their individual experiences and skill sets for the success of the team. Values are principles or standards of behavior. Lots of companies now have a set of core values or standards set out as part of their mission statement. Let's not forget our core values when carrying out our work. Let's take a look at some examples of workplace values. Employers really want you to know and understand their workplace values. Let's just quickly run through a few that you should know and will need to instill into your own team's behaviors. Respect for others, including work colleagues and customers. Excellence, completing everything to the best of our ability and on time. Commitment, taking responsibility for your actions. Integrity, regularly communicating with each other, keeping everyone updated and informed. Inclusiveness, making opportunities available to everyone and listening to people's ideas and suggestions. Valuing diversity, recognizing that we are all different and we have unique strengths and traits the team can benefit from. Continuous improvement, striving to continually improve and reflecting on our performance. Customer service, putting the customer first in everything we do and making them a priority. Right, let's take a quick look at some more great management and leadership words that you can be using in the workplace. Maximize. When you maximize something, you make the most of it, or you generate the greatest sales achievable. Feedback. Feedback is useful information about person's performance. I would like to give you feedback to help you improve. Reflect. When you reflect, you look back on your performance to see what went well, wrong, and how you can learn. I'd like you to reflect on your performance and tell me how you think you could improve. Implement. To implement is to put a decision, plan, agreement into effect. Let's now implement our plan of action and achieve our goals. Change. The best organizations constantly look to change to keep up with the needs and habits of their customers. Unless we change, we will fall behind our competitors. Delegate. When you delegate, you assign tasks to people in a team based on their strengths. Optimize. To optimize is to make the best use of something. Let's optimize our performance to achieve our goals faster. Proactive. Being proactive is creating or controlling a situation instead of responding to it. Let's be proactive and find ways to stop this from happening. Being proactive is the opposite of firefighting. You may have heard that term firefighting, of which refers to tackling a range of difficult challenges in the moment and not planning ahead. Next up, the two most underused management words. Any guesses? The two most underused management words are well done and thank you. We all love to hear these words, but how often does our work go without a thank you or a well done? So please don't underestimate the important and powerful impact of saying well done. Praising your team members for a job well done will go a long way to help motivate your most valuable asset. Think to a time that you've worked as an employee for someone and we're just grateful to hear those words well done. Think about how it made you feel. Equally, saying thank you will help nurture a culture of respect and consideration. Your team will respect you as a leader if you say thank you. It's a simple thing, but so critical to remember to do, and crucially ensuring that other members of your team are also in that positive habit. Let's look at some example statements that use powerful management words for the workplace. Here are some words that you can be using in your team meetings. I would like everyone in the team to focus on our strategy, work hard, maximize performance, and strive to deliver exceptional quality for our customers. Here are some words that you can use when giving a performance review or staff appraisal. Please remember that feedback helps us realize our objectives much faster, and it empowers us to move forward in our careers and achieve our personal and professional goals. Here's some powerful words you can use when discussing the importance of change management with your team. Change is a fundamental part of organizational success. If we don't adapt to the ever-changing needs of our valued customers and react in a way that is commensurate to their needs, we will fail. Here are some great words to use when discussing team and organizational problems. Let's be proactive and analyze all the facts and information we have available in order to create a solution that is in the best interests of the organization, commercial and financial goals. Finally, here are some great words to use for praising your team. I would like to thank you all for your hard work in the last few weeks. Your commitment to our organizational goals has resulted in record sales for the company, which just goes to show what we can achieve as a team when we put our minds to it. Well done. Next, we have example statements that use powerful management words for job interviews. My goal as your manager will be to deliver consistent results for the organization. I will achieve this by holding my team accountable, giving clear and concise instructions, motivating and encouraging everyone to reach their full potential, and adhering to strict team values and ethics. You should hire me as a manager because I'm not afraid to make difficult decisions. I will support the senior management team in any changes they want implemented. I will utilize a strategy that focuses on best practice, and I will delegate tasks to the team members based on their strengths in order to complete all projects in a fast and efficient manner. Please do make sure you subscribe to the channel, as it really motivates us to keep bringing you great content. Why not stop by the store for some premium merch? As promised, here's where you can stop by to download your free interview preparation pack. Thanks for watching.